What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Check out this. This is the Gmade Sawback 4LS. Now the difference with this one, traditional with the leaf spring, it has a 4-link suspension setup, like a traditional crawler that you see. Check out that. So, finished it up, picked this cool orange, I think it looks awesome. The traditional, with the leaf spring, put the army grey, can understand. But this one pops, looks really nice. Got the light kit, and if you haven't seen the other videos in this series, go check them out. I've put this thing together so you can have a look if you really want, but links are down below if you want to go check it out. Look at that, I think it looks really cool. A few lights up the front, and if you look out the back as well, looks pretty sweet. Now I didn't put all the decals on, the stickers, I just put a few of them, seats. And what's also different with this kit is this roll bar. It looks really nice, really sturdy, solid plastic there as well. The front bumper there as well. They can put a winch. I think I might see if I have a winch, but everything else is stock. This is a stock build. This is what I wanted with this particular series. If we just flip up this, just running on a 3-cell LiPo battery. This is nickel metal hydride or LiPo capable ESC. It's got all standard parts from Gmade, so the servo and the ESC and the motor as well. Everything, what you see here, is ready to run, you can get everything from Gmade. So this is a kit, put it all together. I think it looks really good. Nice setup there. Nice shocks, but like I said, you can tune it how you want. I think it looks really good, and I'm happy with how it turned out. Now, let me know what you guys think. If you have this kit, what have you done to it? Have you done any mods or anything like that? It looks really good. I love Gmade, like I said in the videos before. I think they're awesome RC cars, especially coming into the market. Great value, and what's most important, they have part support, which, that's it. If you get an RC car that breaks, you got no parts, or what's the point of it, right? It looks good. Beadlock rims. I love the old school looking wheels. Nothing fancy. I do like that look. But that's it. Bit of cable management under the body there for the lights. Done a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. One thing I noticed is when you paint these chrome parts with black paint, they don't last very long. It just kind of peels off. Now, a little tip: what I do with cable management, you have the body mounts, the body clips. I put a small little, if I can focus there, cable tie, and it holds all the wires up. It's like that all the way around. Now, if you can't do it with every model, but this one, particular one, you can, and it kind of hides all the cables, keeps everything fairly neat. Now, I'll put it quickly on the video, on the ground, show how it runs, but I'll do a separate video, kind of doing a bit of crawling. There we go. Put it outside. Now, that's flat out on 3S. It does have drag brake. You can also adjust it with the jumpers. That's how you can adjust it from actually doing nickel metal hydride or LiPo. So we just flat stick, there we go. It does have a LiPo cutoff, I believe, at 3.2 volts. There we go there. Looks good. Bring it over here. Now, obviously you're not going to get the best turning circle when you have locked diffs, but that's just the thing you have to live with crawlers. One way around is if you unlock the front diff, where you have diff lockers and stuff like that. But these are awesome. Really capable rig, especially for the price. They look awesome. And I think one of my first crawlers was the original Gmade. And what's cool about these is they're 1/10 scale, but because the Jeep, the Willys was such a small car in real life, the 1/6 figures kind of fit in here. They kind of look pretty good. And I think I put a steering wheel, like a servo in the steering wheel in my original one. Looks really good. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think they're a great car. Got something special coming up as well from Gmade. Video is coming soon for that as well. Check out that fountain. Just because the grass is a little bit long here. Let's do that again. They're not going to be no speed demons. They're not meant to be. But they're great fun, that's for sure. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.